Hello, and welcome to another edition of Tutorial Tuesday. This tutorial is the Part 3 installment of our series on the Kentucky Virtual Library. This tutorial will focus on resources for middle school students. To get started, go to your browser of choice and go to mcplib.org. Scroll down to the Get Started section and click Online Resources. Then scroll down and click on the picture of Kentucky Virtual Library. Just as the previous tutorials, we will use the orange tabs at the top. And we can go ahead and click on for K-12 students, and then middle. Compared to the elementary version of this site, there are a lot more resources when you click on the middle school option. Let's check out some of them. You'll notice that there are several Britannica. Most commonly used one for middle schoolers will be Botanical School Middle. The username for KYVL is #public. The password, however, changes frequently, so you'll need to contact us to get the most updated version. When you have your information entered, click Login. This version looks very similar to the elementary school version. However, not only are there more articles to go through, but those articles are written for a higher grade level. Going back to the top, you can click on Articles and choose a category. Here we have subcategories. And the articles themselves. If you're looking for something in particular, you might type it in the search box. As you type it in, you'll get some results underneath. You can click on any of them or click on the magnifying glass. These are broken down into articles, images, videos, and more. Most of the time you'll use the articles. And note the tools at the top, where you can send to yourself as an email, favorite this item, print, cite this, translate it, listen to it, and increase the font size or decrease it. Let's check out a different resource. Let's check out the EBSCO eBooks K-8 collection. This is a great collection of educational and non-fictional, for the most part, ebooks. Let's check out an example. You can go down to the table of contents and look for something in particular. You can download this from a PDF form, or you have the full download. You also have your tools on the right to integrate this with Google Classroom or Google Drive. You can print or email this to yourself, save it, use this site when you're doing a report, export this, create a note, or a permalink. Let's look at the description for Explora for middle schools. If you hover over the lowercase I in a circle, it'll tell you, provides encyclopedia and article searching in a combined interface. It provides easy access to databases designed for students and educators. Let's check it out. Just as with the other resources, they have it broken down by category, or you can do a search. I'll just click on what they have featured here on the front page. And we'll go with the first result. Just as before, you will see your table of contents on the left if there is one. You can listen to the article, and you have your tools on the right. The Master File Premier says it's designed specifically for public libraries. This database provides full text for magazines, reference books, and primary source documents. Let's just do a search for solar energy. And here is our article. Again, you can have it to read to you. You will have a table of contents on the left if there is one, as well as your tools on the right. Now let's check out Middle Search Plus. Although this page looks the same, you'll notice that if you click on Choose Databases, it'll be selected with only the one that we chose from before. So previously we had chosen the Master File Premier, and you can notice that this one is unchecked. Now we are doing Middle Search Plus. And I'll go ahead and do the same search just to show you that you will get different results. But it is convenient that it stays in the same format. You can get the entire document by clicking on full text. You can have it read to you, as well as use the tools on the right. Let's check out Novelist. It's described as an electronic reader's advisory resource that assists fiction readers in finding new authors and titles. They do a good job here of breaking books down by age and by genre. Let's check out the award winners. To click this book for more information, you'll see that there are several reviews to read. You can click on the author's name to see what else they have. And if you look on the right-hand side, you'll see similar suggestions. If you'll click on School Center, you can then choose middle school, and look at each of these categories for help in the particular subject. I'll click on Geometry Practice. This does use the Learning Express resource. You will need to sign in order to take advantage of this, but that is free. Let's check out Teen Book Cloud. Teen Book Cloud is a collection of videos and chapter books and categories which include ebooks, read-alongs, graphic novels, videos, and audiobooks. You can scroll down to see what type of category you want to look into. You can click Read Online. It will open up in a new tab. Once you're done with it, you can simply close out of that tab. At the top here, you can click another category. I'll choose graphic novels. Again, once you're finished reading it, just close out of the tab. And videos. Lots of educational titles here. Once you're done, just close out of it. Next, we have Topic Search. Teachers, librarians, and student researchers can use this database to explore current events, social, political, and economic issues, scientific discoveries, and other popular topics frequently discussed in the classroom. You'll see that it's the same interface as before. At the top, it'll say Searching, Topic Search. If you click Choose Databases, you can have it choose other databases in addition to this one. Ones that we have used previously were the Master File Premier and Middle Search Plus. You can change these at any time. Type in your article that you're looking for. And it looks the same as before. You can download the article here to the left. Go down to get your contents, listen to it, and use the tools on the right. Once you're finished with this resource, close out of the tab. I would encourage you to hover over the information icon for each of these databases to get a little bit more information about each of them. There are lots to choose from. I hope that this tutorial has given you a good idea of what types of resources are available for middle school students from the Kentucky Virtual Library. If you've enjoyed this tutorial or it has helped you in any way, let us know on social media. Thanks for watching.